Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, today I decided to once again participate in Kendra's card challenge, but this time it is Kendra's card challenge number 6. So I've chosen this beautiful spring market paper pad. It is by Carta Bella. And then I've used 2 of Gina K's inks. I've used Grass Green and Dusty Rose, and then I've used several other supplies. So for some of the circle cutouts I've used the scallop circles, and then the We Are Memory Keepers nesting circles. I also used one of these decorative circle dies, and this is from a Sizzix Circle Sentiments stamp and die set. I think I got that one at Michael's. I used 1 or 2 of these pre-printed sentiments by Simon Says Stamp. I used I think a couple of sentiments from this Simon Says Stamp's Lots of Thanks. Also used this beautiful Hello stamp, and this is a Layered Labels stamp set. That one also comes with coordinating dies, but I didn't use that one, those dies. I used this beautiful Greenery Thank You stamp by Gina K Designs. It's the Thankful Greenery. And then I used this Hero Arts Spring Hello stamp set. I used the hello and some of the little floral and leaf images. And then for one of the cards that calls for a striped background, I used these stripes from the Hello Sunshine stamp set by Simon Says Stamp. Kendra's card challenge provides you with sketches to cut out your pattern paper, and you're using 6 sheets of the 6x6 pattern paper, and this will yield 15 cards. Now her sketch also numbers the pieces, so you know what card sketch they coordinate with. And all I do is put them in some envelopes I have, and then just mark them with number 1, 2, 3, etc. So there's for card pattern paper number 1, number 2, so A, B, C, D, and her cutting guide is very simple to follow, E and F. She has the sketches, so shows you how to lay out your card, and this is the one I was telling you, it calls for a striped background. So this is sketches 1 through 6, sketches 7 through 12, and then sketches 13 to 15, and it gives you instructions, some helpful hints, so forth. Here is sketch number 1, and then I added some of these enamel dots I had in my stash. I think they're by Doodlebug. Isn't that just a beautiful springy card? And then for sketch number 2, here I used the scallop circle and that Gina K stamp. And I just, for the panels, I have colored cardstock. I just use cardstock I had in my stash. Stuff I had bought at Michael's. It's pretty much all recollections. Here is card sketch number 3. Here is card sketch number 4. Very simple, just a quick thank you. And the good thing is when you have double-sided pattern paper, you can choose which side to use, so you have many more options. Here is card sketch number 5, and these are just some little pearl embellishments I had in my stash. Really don't know where I got them from, probably Michael's. Here is card sketch number 6, and here's the stripes. So I used the Gina K's Grass Green ink on that one, and then I used the pre-printed sentiment by Simon Says Stamp. I think this one turned out really nice. And then we have card sketch number 7. And then here's card sketch number 8. I used the big hello sentiment. And then I had pulled out this green cardstock from my stash. Was this color, but I didn't quite like it, so I used that green and just ink blended over it with Gina K's grass green ink, and I like the tone, the shade of that green much better, and it coordinates with what I stamped. And then card sketch number 9, I changed it up a bit. It called for a circle element and then a strip, but I wanted to use one of these cut aparts from the paper pad, so I used that. On card sketch number 10, I changed the circle element to one of the cut aparts. And then card sketch number 11, I stenciled the background. Card sketch number 12, I turned to portrait instead of landscape as it calls for in the sketch. And then I used another one of the cut aparts here to add sentiment. Card sketch number 13 had all these little banners with the little pieces that you cut out. And I just put a simple "You Are My Sunshine" sentiment using Gina K's Dusty Rose. Card sketch number 14. Again, used another cut apart instead of the circle element. And last but not least, card sketch number 15. And I had this little sticker, I don't remember where I got it from, so it was like a washi tape, and I added it to some white cardstock, and then I just pulled some of this twine I had in my stash to add a little bit of rustic look to the card. And there you have my 15 cards for Kendra's Card Challenge number 6. Be sure to check the description box below for links to Kendra's channel and blog so that you too can follow along with Kendra's Card Challenge. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye!